Hello and welcome to another very sunny episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Today on the GTI we're going to be looking at replacing the ball joint. Hopefully it'll be a nice quick short video. This will be the same for most Volkswagen Golfs, I guess. Not necessarily unique to this car. So without further ado, let's do it. So first things first, we'll just jack the car up, get the wheels off. Always make sure you've got something behind and in front of the wheels so the car doesn't roll when jacked up. From underneath, there's 3 bolts to take off on the bottom of the control arm. They're 13mm. There's also one to take off here as well. Nice. Okay. Let's follow it. There we go. So we just need to put a socket on the back to stop this spinning.
Right. You haven't this, you've got more leverage. Yeah.
Yep.
No. Take it off.
Oh, it's in here, yeah.
Really?
Yep.
I see where it goes now. I think it goes in between. See that groove? See that groove there?
Yeah.
That's where I think it goes inside that.
Yeah, it does. Show us again.
There.
So I've just noticed that there's a locking plate missing, which should be on top of the control arm. The bolts go through the ball joint into the locking plate and tighten up. You don't need it, but you probably should have it.
Not pull out. It should pull out, shouldn't it? Oh no, it can't pull out because of that.
Let's take this off, do we?
Yes.
Well, it didn't say yes, wheel bearing off in the book. I might take this off here, Dad.
Really? Can't get to see that.
Give you more play then, won't it?
Yeah, go on then.
What size is that?
17.
17.
Yeah.
What do you buy it? Nice. It's great, that.
I'm looking for, well, that's what I'm looking for. This ball joint splitter, I can't find it.
My house, isn't it?
Oh, don't say that. We need it.
Have a look.
See what we do at house. Right, go for this.
I'm going to get that out.
Both sides out. You might have... What are you doing? Yeah, probably.
I mean,
It's still got price.
Yeah.
Pull it down.
Let's make sure it's lined up.
I'm putting some bolts in first. You won't. Just put them in, don't tighten them up. Screwdriver, tighten them up. Tighten them up.
Yeah.
Oh, no screwdriver then.
Yeah. I'm not going to get that one in there with the arm. I'll do that last one, but
Yeah.
I'll get it back on.
Yeah.
Right. Just to pull that down, let's try to pull it forward onto it.
Sit when?
Lift it up. No, okay, you're putting it too far. It needs to go that way. Move it around, I can't see. Right, just lift it upwards. Okay, look at that. No, we pull the we're not knacking up the drive shaft.
Why? Should push back in. Nearly.
It's almost in there now.
Midges.
Look, it's looking towards me a bit, I think, there. You whack it with a hammer?
I don't really want to whack anything with this bloody, down these bloody rubber things. Let's have a look.
There we go. Easy as that.
Stop it for a minute, buddy. What's happening? There you go.
There we go. Lesson learned. Take the track rod end off when you're replacing a ball joint. Makes life a lot easier. Time for a quick lesson in ball joints and how they should not work in Charlie's workshop.
There we go.
So yeah, that shouldn't be that easy to move by hand, should it?
Shouldn't hardly move that.
Right, okay. Cheers. Cheers, Dad.
Okay, dokie.
Well, there we go. It took about 3 times as long as we thought. Top tip: take your track rod end off. It'll make your life a lot easier. If you found this video useful or at least mildly entertaining because we cocked up so much, please drop a like, click on subscribe, or click on the button or the link below to buy me a coffee. That'd be much greatly appreciated. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.